This is not your average dirt bike. Meet the Segway Dirt e-bike X260. All electric. All adrenaline. The X260 delivers insane torque and lightning-fast acceleration with zero emissions. Go up to 74.6 miles on a single charge and hit speeds of 46.6 miles per hour. Off-road adventure? Unlocked. Built tough with a lightweight aluminum frame, long travel suspension, and rugged tires. This beast is ready for any terrain. Smart tech meets raw power. Sync it to your phone. Track your ride. Control the beast. The future of dirt biking is here. Are you ready to ride the revolution? Meet the Stark VRG Alpha, the world's most advanced electric motocross bike. No gas. No noise. Just pure electric fury. With 80 horsepower and over 900 Newton meters of torque, this beast outpowers most 450 cubic centimeters gas bikes. And with its ultralight 6 kilowatt-hour battery, you get up to 6 hours of trail time or moto-level performance for a full race. Customize everything, power curve, engine braking, and even virtual gears, right from your smartphone. Silent, sustainable, and savage on the track. This is the future of motocross, the Stark VRG Alpha. This is the Trevor DTR Stella, a minimalist electric motorcycle with serious attitude. Fully electric. Zero noise. 100% torque. And it's built to slide. Powered by an 11 kilowatts motor and 85 Newton meters of torque, this bike is all about instant power and control. This is the Roar Mantis, the electric dirt bike that's light, fast, and ready to rip. Ultra quiet, fully electric, and packing some serious torque, this thing flies. With a 7500W motor and a top speed of 50 miles per hour, the Mantis isn't here to play. Say hello to the 2024 Beta Explorer, an electric trail bike built for adventure with zero noise. Whisper quiet and trail ready, it's perfect for beginners, hunters, and anyone who just wants to explore. With a top speed of 40 miles per hour and a range of up to 50 miles, this bike takes you far and deep. This is the Sur-Ron Lite BX, part dirt bike, part mountain bike, and 100% electric thrill machine. With a 6 kilowatts mid-drive motor, it delivers instant torque and crazy acceleration. Hit 47 miles per hour and ride up to 60 miles on a single charge. Lightweight aluminum frame. Long travel suspension. And a ride that eats up any terrain.